Hey, how's it going? It's your boy Mikey G. We about to go over what's in the box. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. Whew. Taco Bell. Got that new Elite controller, version 2. I can't even get out the damn thing. I don't even know what this is. Let's see. Oh, guessing that's the Game Pass, maybe. What do we got here? Come on out. Nice little vertical stand. There she is, boys and girls. Woo. Oh, let me, oh my gosh. I can't even get it out. Oh man. Got some stuff there, huh? Oh yeah, that's my other Xbox One X. There's that knife. Oh my god. I'm terrible at this. Jesus. Let me put the phone there for a second. It's the slidey case. There's the Xbox Game Pass. We got our power cable, power cable. HDMI. I don't know what this is even there for. Make sure the instructions are intact there. I don't know. Let's see the beauty. See the beauty here, huh? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited, guys. Oh my god. Look at this thing. Look at it. Look at this. Look at the color of this thing. And then the best part of all, let's take it over here so that my other Xbox. Best part of all. Let's see. Is this part right here. You ready, guys? You guys ready? That's the best part of it all, baby. Woo! Wii controller. I already took the controller out. It's over here on the desk. Wii controller version 2. It's got 3 settings on the what is that on the back of my controller? 3 settings for the stick stoppers, the trigger stops, and your paddles, built-in battery, Type-C charger. Oh, the charging dock is sick. You can plug the wire right in the back here. It's very neat. Nice sticks. As you can see, I have the longer stick on. Short stick. Oh my god, my controller's dirty already. Oh my goodness. Whew. Fire that bad boy up. Nice TV, microphone, Go XLR, PC. There's my cough medicine because I'm getting over a cold. Yeah. That should wrap it up, you know what I'm saying? If you enjoyed what you seen, give it a like, follow, support your boy. come watch me stream on Mixer. I'll drop some links in the description later.